What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use BSPs in the Unreal 4 engine. So basically what a BSP is, if we look at a normal basic shape like a square, this is okay for just sort of placing in places to get a feel of what you want to do. So if you want to like do a shelf, you could always shape this, and then you could always make it into like a shelf. Do what you want with that, but at the end of the day, all you could do with the basic shape is sort of stretch it and just scale it. However, what BSP allows you to do, so if we go into geometry here, grab BSP, what we could do with BSP is we could do all of that still, but we can come up here and go to geometry edit. This will allow us to click edit here, and we can select sides and change them. And what it also allows us to do is there's an extrude button here. When you click that, a little thing to say OK should come up. You should be able to select the side and you can start extruding it. You can start basically making shapes as if you were sort of in a modeling software. So that's pretty cool. So now, one other thing that's cool about this is if I get another BSP and I place it wherever I want, and I want this BSP to cut out where I'm placing it on this. If we come over here and we click subtractive, you can see it now cuts out that shape. So I've done that with this door. I have a cylinder and a cube that when I take it away, it's obviously not going to be there, but when placed in, it's going to cut out a little door shape. I've extruded the tops of that to get it to be a bit more sort of archway looking. But yeah, so that is sort of the basics of a BSP, and that's all I really wanted to show today. You can use this. The main reason to use BSPs is to sort of make scenes. So if I wanted to like I have here, I was designing a sort of a living room, and I wanted to get a feel for it first. I'd throw the chairs down like this, basic looking chairs. Put a table down, get a scale for the room so I know how big things are going to be, I know how much room I'm going to need, and then I can start designing, I can start taking this out, go into Maya or Blender or whatever 3D software you use, and actually start making them a proper 3D model, and then replacing it one at a time. So if I make a chair in Blender, I can then take it out of Blender, throw it in here, replace it with this one, and just start actually making the scene. So yeah, it's pretty much just a designer tool to allow you to pre-design your environments. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you do want to support the channel, I do have a Patreon that you can find in the description. Thank you very much, and bye bye.